Right, so up in Lowe's, hopefully I don't have to come here but one more time after this. So I'm trying to get everything finalized to finish up the outhouse and then the shower house. So I got to get some more of this corrugated plastic for the roof. I got to get, I think, 2 pieces. And then I'll load up with the lumber and everything else I have and head out to the glampsite. Hopefully I'll be there by like 11, and hopefully it won't take me more than like 4 or 5 hours to finish that. We'll see. Okay, so I just spent $360 at Lowe's, and that's what I got to show for it. Actually, I got some other stuff. I got a digital deadbolt, so there can be a combination so to get into the balcony on the patio door. So that'll be locked, nice and secure. You can only get in if you have a combination, unless you want to climb over the rails and stuff. And then I got a doorknob. I got some whatever these are called right here for the garden hose. That's gonna go from the rain catch over to the shower. I got 2 of those. They were like 20 bucks a piece. I got some anchors for the kitchen so that it won't blow away. Right now I have it tied to a tree. And then I got some other things and some silicone, and those are like $7 a tube. Stuff is expensive these days. Okay, so I finally made it out here. Got most of my stuff set up here, and I'm pressurizing the air tank so I can use the nail gun. Using this EcoFlow River mats to supply the electricity. This is what will be out here for the campsite once I'm done building everything. And they'll power whatever you want. I use this saw, and of course the compressor, several other things out here to power. Works great. I got a solar cell to put up on the top of the balcony up there, so it'll keep it charged. I also have a wind turbine generator as well for cloudy days when it's windy. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these fence slats, which are 72 inches, and place them inside the walls here, straight up and down, right? So that's from the bottom to the top of 72 inches. So I don't even have to cut it. I might have to rip one on the sides here just so it fits, but I'm going to do that there and on the other side. And then I'm going to use the fence slats for the back too, and I'm going to double them up. So I'm going to have some across, right? And then on the inside they'll be straight up and down. And then I will put the roof on, because I got some more corrugated polycarbonate plastic for the roof. And then the outhouse will basically be done. I do have a sheet of plywood to put over top of that, and it's going to be hinged on the back so it'll open up. You can see I got the bucket there, and then I'll have another bucket there or on the other side. It doesn't matter. It'll have the sawdust in it. So you just lift it up, put the sawdust in there, do your business. Lift it up, put some more sawdust in there. Call it a day until it fills up, about halfway or so, and then you just take the plastic bag out of there, tie it up tight, toss it in the landfill. So, and then I'll put boards on the front here so you won't be able to see that bucket. I'll probably do the fence slats straight up and down. I'll have to put a 2x4 down at the bottom to help secure it. But yeah, that's the plan on what to get done today. I left the house at 9:30 this morning. Went to Lowe's. I was looking for some things I couldn't find. I need a bigger spigot for the rain collection barrel. The size on that spout, it just doesn't let enough water through. It's not a trickle, but it's just like a little stream. I want it to be wide open, so it'll go through the filter that I have, and it'll be enough gallons per minute to actually use the on-demand water tank heater. It's not a tank, water heater. It's propane powered. So anyways, let me get to work on this and knock it out. All right, so you can see I put these fence slats up here on this side just to close up some of the gaps that were in between the logs going this way, and keep water and moisture out. And you can see on this side, I got this back part done and I'm doing this front part. You see those big gaps there? Big gaps. And so this just gives a little bit more protection. These are like severe weather treated. I know that in like 10 years, this thing's gonna probably rot out, but I don't plan on keeping it for 10 years. So I think I'll just leave that bare up there like that. That's the back side of this big log right here. And then on the back, I'll do the boards across, and then I'll do the same thing like this and do straight up and down. I think I'm gonna have to get more boards though. I had 18, and I don't think that's gonna be enough, because I'm gonna need like 12 or 13 back here and only have 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Yeah, it's not enough, because I'm gonna put 2 here and I'll have like 4 left, which definitely is not enough for back there. So I'm gonna have to make a 40-minute round trip to Lowe's. Yeah. So up here on a ladder, I got the polycarbonate roof on these 3 purlins right here. Got them overlapping. This is 3 sheets, and it goes over about 6 inches on each side and about 7 or 8 on the front. I put a little front flashing on here out of a log just to keep a little extra water out of there. Let me turn this around so yeah, hangs off on the end, hangs off about 6 inches on the side, both sides. Hangs off about, from the door, like 12 inches. And then there's a little wood flashing I put right here. It's not gonna do much. I just put it there so water wouldn't splash in. It's coming in hard from the sides. Something I do need to figure out is to close this up, right? I got the plywood on the back. I'm just gonna leave that like that. But I wanna close this big gap up just so if it's raining pretty hard, you don't wanna get wet while you're using the bathroom. So I think I might put a piece of plywood right here, or see if the leftover polycarbonate I have over there will fit right here. I'm not sure that'll be enough, but we can see. So you can see the inside there. I need to build the cabinet around the pooper. That lid will lift up, so the whole bench actually will fold up to be on hinges, and then the front will be cut off. So there's a bucket under there. I'll install that on the plywood I got, cut a hole the right size, and yeah, then this will be pretty much done. But I think it looks pretty good. Let's see what else we can get done. It's golden hour. About I don't know, hour and a half till sunset. I got up here around right at 12, and I didn't have enough lumber, so I did have to drive 25 minutes into Asheboro, spend about 20 minutes in the store, and then drive about 25 minutes back. So that wasted the whole hour. It's like 7:20 right now. So, you know, I did basically get the outhouse done for the most part. It's just little tiny things to finish, but the majority of it, the bulk of it is done. I don't really have to cut or nail anything in anymore, so that's good. Closing up shop here. I got the tent all locked up, and I did buy a digital deadbolt for right here. It's gonna have a combination. It's battery powered, and then just a regular outdoor screen door handle to open this. So we'll do that next time. I got new cushions to go on the couch there. They say, well, not cushions, but throw pillows. They say adventure weights, and it's got like mountains and stuff in the background. But I am hot and sweaty. It's like 80 something degrees and like 100% humidity. Did not rain today, which is good. But yeah, it's still really, really hot and humid. So there's the outhouse. I did get the roof on there. You see the clear plexiglass, not plexiglass, but polycarbonate. And And then I did get the boards on the inside. So let me turn this around so we can see what. All right, so you can see up there, I got the polycarbonate roof, and I was able to mount it in here too on both sides. All right, so the rain, if the wind's blowing really hard, doesn't blow in on you. I did get the siding inside, interior siding, whatever you want to call it, fence slats. I got these on the inside. There's a little gap there. It's not exactly straight. Well, actually these are warped, but I'm just gonna put a board right there to cover that up. I did get lazy and just put a piece of plywood on the outside, but you know what? It's siding. It just needs a coat of stain and it's fine. I got this side and this side done. You see I had to rip that board there and actually cut it at an angle down at the bottom because I've got another 45, and I actually cut this to fit the curvature of that log, and I had to rip a piece right here too, and also cut that to fit the curvature of the log. So that took some time, not a whole lot of time, but I put the purlins up across here, 3 of them, all right, and then they're secured with sheet metal screws all throughout. So it's not going anywhere. And then I got this. Look, it's a throne. Check it out. There's a bucket. So when you use this, there'll be a bag in there and some sawdust in the bottom. And it opens all the way up, right? So you can see the bucket there. Close that back. There's plenty of room when you sit on it. You can see the bucket there. There'll be a sawdust bucket there. But then you can lift this up like so and pull the bag out of there and tie it up, toss it in the trash, and then add more sawdust, right? I think I'm gonna leave this open. I thought about putting a front on there. I don't know, I'm still debating. But you can see out here the roof, it overhangs both sides, right? On this side and that side. And in the back here is a piece of 9/16 siding. So it's fine. Just needs a little coat of water repellent stain on there and we're good to go. The nails that I was using though, they're 3-inch nails, and yeah, it was only about 1.5 inches of material, so I'm gonna have to bring a cutoff saw out here and get these nails that are all sticking out of the wood. There you go, you can see there. So anyways, I think I'll put a little bit more gravel back here. And then I definitely have to clean my mess up because it is a mess. But yeah, I'm happy that that's done. That's what I wanted to get done today, all of it. So close the door. I have a little latch to go on the inside so you can lock it. And there's your hillbilly hideaway loo, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, look at this big mess I got here. I got wood everywhere, but we'll get that cleaned up. And next weekend, hopefully, pretty sure, I plan on staying the night next weekend. So come out here on Saturday, work all day Saturday. I'm gonna spend the night. I'm gonna work all day Sunday, and then we should be done with this glampsite. After that, the only thing that's left to do is some cleanup, and then just make sure everything's nice, neat, and tidy, and ready to go. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.